Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can add a drop cap to your documents and text on Google Docs. So let us get started right away. All right, head over to your document on Google Docs. And what you want to do first, guys, is highlight the first letter of your text. For example, where you'd like to place your drop cap, which in this case here would be the beginning of that column here, that letter T. So highlight it, remove it by pressing backspace, and memorize it. It was a T, because we would like to convert the T into drop cap now and add a drop cap here. To do that, click on Insert here at the top and hover your mouse over Drawing and click into plus new here. And after that, guys, click on that arrow down icon next to Actions in the top left and select Word Art from the drop down menu and enter the letter you'd like to add as a drop cap, which was a T. Press Enter to add it, and there you go. As you can see, it has been added. So now you may customize it. Let's keep, for example, the same font as the font of the entire text, which was Arial, if I recall correctly. But you may go, of course, with any of these fonts below. So let us stick to Arial. And then after that, you may customize your drop cap by, for example, applying a fill color. Let us go with standard black. You may also apply a border color. Let's leave it at black as well. And that's basically it. You may also apply a bold letter if you like, or italic letters, and so on and so forth, guys. And once you're content with the results, simply click on Save and Close here to add your drop cap. As you can see, it has been added. Now in the final step, guys, we will need to apply a text wrapping. To do that, click with your left mouse on your drop cap, and here at the bottom, switch from inline to wrap text. That's it. As you can see, the drop cap has been added. And you may, for example, customize and find the position of your drop cap according to your own imagination and taste. So simply click on one of these edges and adjust the position and size. And that's basically it. You may also change or adjust the margin between your drop cap and the rest of the text by clicking on the arrow down icon, by selecting, for example, a margin like this. Well, that doesn't look too good. So let me switch back to a quarter, or that one here, for example. That doesn't look too good. So as you can see, guys, you will need to do a lot of testing and customizing till you find the best setup. Let's leave it at that. That's how you add a drop cap to your text on Google Docs. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.